If you're a member of Bluecross Texas, type in your browser bcbstx.com. Once you're here, you may click in Make a Payment. Now, if you go down a little bit, you will see two options. In this opportunity, we will choose one-time payment. Fill the information, agree with the terms, and click in Continue. When you're here, click in Make a Payment to select the amount you want to pay, payment method, and the date of payment. Then, complete the data to click in Review Payment to avoid any error. Check the authorization box and submit the payment.